Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Yellow color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Sky blue color. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Red color. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. Green color. F for fish. G for girl. H for house. I for eyes. J for jug. Neon color. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. Red. Blue color. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. E-E-N 10. So kids, what we learned today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.